Hello everyone, welcome back to CREO Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In the previous two video lectures, we discussed about knuckle joint two parts, that is part 1 forkhead and part 2 eye end in the previous video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss how to develop the part 3, part 4, part 5, that is pin, collar, taper pin in this CREO Parametric software. Now open CREO Parametric software, open part modeling window, new part, give the name, part name 3 is pin 3, remove this checkbox, click on OK, choose MMNS part solid, give the parameters, you can type the description here, model by type your name, here my name is VALASA Rakesh, then click on OK. Once carefully observe the given part number 3, that is pin, you can see here. This is symmetrical with respect to vertical center line. So just you can draw the half of this section, either left side or right side in the front view, then apply the revolve command. Open CREO Parametric software, choose front and select revolve option. Sketch view. Now remove these all options, so unselect those options. Here the pin is symmetrical with respect to vertical center line or y axis, so that's why I'm going to construct one vertical center line. Then draw the half of this part by using line tool. You can start from here, draw the half portion, close this. Now click mouse middle button, exit from this tool, then give the dimension. Here the pin diameter 24, this pin length is 80 and head thickness or width 12 mm and head diameter 38. So this diameter is 24 mm and this height is 80 mm and head thickness 12 mm and head length is 38 mm. Then click on OK. Now this shape is revolved around this vertical center line, then click on OK. This bottom end and this head end having chamfer is there. You can apply the chamfer by using chamfer tool. At this end you can take 2 mm, d into d equal 2 mm, and also apply the chamfer to this head end 2 mm, then click on OK. Okay, after this, once carefully observe the given 2D sketch. In the front view, that is hidden lines are there, that means hollow portion is in the pin. From the base end is 10 mm horizontal center line. Here the pin is taper section. The taper section is not given, so you can take 1:50 ratio. That means this left end diameter is, let us take 5 mm. So right end diameter you can calculate by using this formula, that is small diameter d equal to capital D minus k into L. Here the capital D means 5 mm minus k means, that is scale factor 1/50 into length is 24 mm because the pin diameter 24. Now you can simplify this formula, you can get small d value 4.52 mm. That is in the front view. So select front view again, revolve option, sketch view. Now draw one reference line at this edge, close this window, then draw the center line at this point. The distance between this reference line and this center line is 10 mm. 10, enter. Okay, then create the taper hole by using line tool. We can start from here, draw the taper section like this. Then give the dimension. Here the left side diameter is, that means maximum diameter, 5 mm, enter. In the right side diameter is small d, that is 4.52, measured from previous equation, that is capital D minus K into L. Now click on OK. Now you can see here this portion will be removed from the existed pin. So remove this material, then click on OK. This is the taper pin. You can see here. Now save this file. Okay, I am saving desktop, pin 3, copy and save to here, paste, OK. This is the part number 3. Let us move to the part number 4, that is collar. You can see a collar front view and collar top view. In the collar top view, it's showing two diameters, small diameter 24 and major diameter 38. And also taper hole is also there in this part number 4 collar. Okay, open new part drawing part. The name is collar. This is the part number 4. Remove this checkbox. Okay, choose MMNS part solid, give the parameter description, modeled by your name, VALASA RAKESH. Then click on OK. Now the new part modeling window is open. Here the maximum dimensions are visible in the top view, that's why I am choosing top, extrude option, sketch view. Draw two circles by using circle tool, small circle and big circle. Small circle diameter is 24 mm and big circle diameter is 38 mm. And this width is, you can see here, this collar width is 12 mm. Click on OK. This width is, you can take with symmetry, 12 mm, enter. OK. Now you need to create the taper hole in the front view. Select front, revolve option, sketch view. Once carefully observe the taper hole. The taper hole, that means collar hole, the left side diameter is not given and the right side diameter not given, but we know that scale ratio 1:50. Let us take left side diameter 6 mm. Here this D greater than previous pin. Let us take 6 mm, capital D 6 mm left side, and small d you need to find out by using this formula. Small d equal to capital D is 6 mm minus K means 1:50 ratio, that means 1/50 into length is maximum diameter, that is 38. So this value is 5.24. Okay, take line tool. First you need to construct one center horizontal center line. Then take line tool. From this point, draw that shape. Draw the taper hole shape. Then give the dimension. In the left side diameter is, take capital D 6 mm. Right side diameter, that means small d, is equal to capital D minus K into L. That value is 5.2. This is 5.24. 5.24. Enter. Then click on OK. Here also you need to remove that portion from the existed collar. Remove this material, then click on OK. You can see it. This is the collar. Now save this file. Save in the desktop. Copy this. Save to here. Click on OK. The last part is taper pin. Open new drawing file, new part modeling file, new part. Here part name is taper pin. Remove this checkbox, then click on OK. MMNS part solid. Parameters modeled by your name, VALASA, RAKESH. Then click on OK. Okay, once see the given sketch knuckle joint part number 5. This is the knuckle taper pin. Here only given middle diameter, so that's why I'm taking another sketch. You can see here. This total length is 44 and left side maximum diameter is 6.5. We need to find out right side small diameter, that is small d equal to capital D minus K into L. Capital D means 6.5 minus 1 by 50 into length 44. So the small diameter is 5.62. So that is also visible in the front view. Front, revolve option, sketch view, draw the horizontal datum center line, then take line tool. You can start from here. This left side diameter is 6.5. Enter. 6.5. Enter. Okay, you can remove this angle, then only you can the right side diameter is 5.62. Left side 6.5. Enter. Yes, left side diameter 6.5, right side diameter 5.62, and this length is 44 mm. Then click on OK. You can see here. This is the taper pin. Then click on OK. Now save this file. Control S. Copy. You can paste here. Okay. Okay, this is the way to you can develop these three parts, that is pin, collar. You can see here. First one is pin, second one collar, third one is taper pin. In the next video lecture, we will discussing about how to assemble these five parts in CREO Parametric software. That is fork end. First part is fork end. Second eye end. Part 3 pin. Part 4 collar. Part 5 taper pin. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in the session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.